Hello everyone, on today's adventure we are taking the ferry into the city and visiting the Greens at Pier 17. We are here at the South Street Seaport District in Lower Manhattan to visit a new socially distanced rooftop lawn known as the Greens. It is located at Pier 17. We are excited to see what's up there, but before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more new videos. As you enter the Greens, you will be greeted and asked for your timed reservation. Reservations can be made through their online website, with time slots opening up every 2 weeks. Up to 8 guests are allowed in each lawn, with tables and chairs provided for relaxing. Each mini lawn is equipped with a cooler with ice to keep your drinks nice and cold. You can use the QR code provided to order drinks and food that will be delivered straight to your mini lawn.